Welcome to our YouTube channel, where wisdom meets inspiration. In this channel, we share valuable insights to help you become the best version of yourself. Our content is designed to uplift your spirit and enrich your life. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay connected with this incredible journey. Click the subscribe button below.
How will I get peace? How will I get peace in life? And the answer is, my son, if you want peace in life, you have to do these 4 things. These 4 things. What are the 4 things? If you listen, you will realize why we don't have peace in life. Just the opposite we are doing without knowing. 4 things. 1, always seek to have less rather than more. Always seek to have less rather than more. 1, difficult. Here, what you have will expand from house into garage, from garage into storage space. First time I came to US, I was surprised. Big place. What is that? It's just stuff. What stuff? No, just stuff. And then you'll pay money to keep it under lock and key, and then forget about it, but it'll stay there. So always seek to have less rather than more. I have seen sadhus there. One extreme case. See, by seeing their life, you'll realize human beings, we don't need so much. We don't really need so much. It's a bother to have too many things. One sadhu, I read about this, I did not meet him. He had only one begging bowl. He was in Gangotri. The begging bowl broke. So one devotee was very devoted to this person. He said, can I buy you one new begging bowl? He said, yes, get me one new begging bowl. He said, it will take some time. In those days, I have to go to Haridwar and get it for you. Few days later, he came back from Haridwar with a new begging bowl. Swamiji, ye lijiye, take this. And that monk said, no, I don't need it. Why? Because in the last few days, I found I can beg like this. With my hand, yes. So with my hands itself, I can beg. Why do I need a bowl? So even begging bowl also he does not need. So this is the thing. I always seek to have less rather than more. The second one is even more difficult. Always seek to be last rather than first. In matter of credit, in matter of enjoyment, in everything. Let push others forward. It's secret of success. Secret of success. Always seek to be last rather than first. Not that I'll be lazy and fail in my exams and all, not in that sense. But in the sense of let others enjoy, let others take the credit, push others forward. When it's time to get credit, time to get enjoyment, time to get honors, let others take. I'll be in the background. You will get much more that way. Much more, guaranteed. We are talking with Vijayji, one gentleman who Vijayji knows very well, is taking care of 5,000 plus kids and doing enormous amounts of good work in India. Very nice, humble person. But I noticed one thing about him. This happened more than 25 years ago when he was beginning his work. Public function, large organization, many people have come. And this person is the founder, he's the key, but hardly anywhere to be seen on the stage. He's pushing others forward, the main volunteers and all. So last rather than first. Learn to be last rather than first if you want peace of mind. Third, even more difficult than this, is always seek to do the will of another rather than your own will. Too difficult. Always we want my way or the highway. So always learn to seek to do the will of another rather than your own. Of course, remember all these things have to be applied skillfully, whether in the family or in the organization or in the community. So often we find our clash is a clash of opinions. When it's a question of opinion, honor the opinion of the other person. When it's a question of principles you must stand firm. Rather we do the opposite. We let the principle go, but my own opinion, I always fight for it. And therefore I have no peace of mind at all. And the last one, most important, in all things, learn to see and accept the will of God. In all things. This world is the creation of the Lord. Everything that is happening here has been signed, okayed by headquarters, supreme headquarters. So that does not mean that we will not change things also. Wherever it's necessary, there it's our field of work, our Kurukshetra. There we have been put there to change things. But remember, behind all of it is the Lord. So we should be at peace. Nischintite. In the Naradiya Bhakti Sutra, it says, how should you worship the Lord? Keep your heart at peace. First condition of worship, be at peace. The Lord does not want a shaky, angry, anxious devotee. Be peaceful. Be happy. Come in a positive attitude. One Christian, Saint Teresa of Avila, she used to say, sad nun is a bad nun. Sad nun is a bad nun. In spiritual life, Swami Vivekananda said, unhappy face, scowling face is a disease. Why are you carrying it around in society? If you have got that, you stay at home. Don't spread it in society. So, these 4 things, if you want peace of mind.
Become Swami Vivekananda's messenger. Share the video with 3 of your friends.